Find great wine recipes. Looking for a great wine recipe? There are many ways to find recipes that call for great wine, ranging from cookbooks and attending culinary schools to asking a friend and searching online. In this article, we will focus on how to conduct an online search for great wine recipes and recommend websites that offer these recipes. How to search for great wine recipes online. Enter the URL of your favorite search engine, such as google.com. Type wine recipe into your search engine and initiate the search. Wine cooking recipe may also yield good results. Browse through the search results to view the countless number of wine recipes available to you online. If you are looking for recipes that call for a certain type of wine, be sure to include those words in your search query. For example, if you are searching for a great wine recipe that uses Cabernet Sauvignon, type Cabernet Sauvignon recipe in your search query. You may also find great wine recipes by visiting manufacturer websites. They may feature recipes that call for great wine on their site. For example, the Sutter Homes website offers a recipe for each type of wine they carry. Another method is to visit online recipes sites such as allrecipes.com. Conduct an ingredient search and find your perfect great wine recipe. Try searching for red wine or white wine as well as the type of wine you are looking for. This may help expand your search results. Useful links: allrecipes.com, Sutter Homes recipes.